This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, aluminum wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Skagit Ford for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 680 Auto Boulevard, just off I-5 in Burlington. We look forward to serving you.